Welcome back, guys. So in our series of PostgreSQL backup and restore, we have in our last videos we have talked about how to take the backups with pgdump and pgdump all utilities. In this video we'll be talking about how to restore them. Okay, so this is also very simple. You took the backup using pgdump utility. This is our script. Okay, so restore them, you have to use psql utility, which we already talked in our earlier videos. This is very helpful utility and you can use this utility to restore your database back. So to restore them, let me show you some demo. So we took the backup. The last backup was test db backup, which was our third backup. Okay, it has all the inserts, everything. Okay, everything it has. So we are dropping this first and then I'll see if we can have this back. Okay, so let's see what we have in our test db first before dropping it. So this is our test db. We are connected to test db right now. Select, not select db. This is for checking all the tables. So we have three tables. This is for indexes. We have two indexes. This is for the sequences if we have any. So we have two sequences here. And if we select one table, select star from hotels, we'll see we have 7 rows in it. Okay, so let's drop this database. Drop database test db. Oh, I cannot drop it as I'm currently connected to it. So let me connect to other database. I'm connected to other database. Drop database test db. It is dropped. Okay, so how to restore it back? We'll use psql utility, and as I have already, but I need to change the file name. Okay, so the file name is this. Okay, and our pasted it. psql utility hyphen capital U user postgres, and this has test db backup. Okay, we took it earlier in our previous video, so I'm going to restore that back. Okay, so it is doing it. Yes, it has everything. It did some set statements, drop database, create database, and then it created the tables, and then it inserted the rows in the tables. Okay, so let's see if we have the database back. Yes, we have test db back. Okay, so let's connect to test db and let's see how many tables we have in here. You see all the tables back. dn, that's for schema di. We have two indexes. Yes, we have ds schemas. Oh, sequences, we have one schema. Let's start from hotels. Let's see how many rows. Yes, so we have our database back. So this is how you restore the database with psql utility. Okay, so that's all for this video. In our next video we'll be talking about how to uh, take the backup for special custom dumps and how to restore them back. Okay, so thank you all, and I'll be seeing you in my next videos. Thank you.